Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. So let's take a look at GBPJPY. Now, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, please do me a favor. Click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So on this GBPJPY, right, basically with this movement, I would say it is a bit complicated right now because when you have to take a look at this JPY, we will see that in the long run, we are going to be expecting a bullish move, right? So that is in the long run, no doubt in the long run, we would expect it. But right now, there's every possibility that this price will drop to come to this level of 1.155. So it will be very, very risky for us to actually take a buy or start aiming for a bullish move. One thing I am seeing here on this GBPJPY is a continuous drop to a level of 155. Then we can now start looking for a setup or an opportunity to go long. If not, I think going long at this level where we currently are is very, very risky. By the way, it is something we should actually not take for granted. So, because one thing I'm seeing here is like a correction playing out. Once this correction plays out, finish, I believe one more drop will play out. So that is what I'm saying. Taking a buy from this level upward will be very risky. So I'll be expecting one more drop on this JPY. Let's say it drops to a level of 155 because with what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing JBPJPY will break a level of 157, break a level of 156, hit a level of 155, then we can start looking for an opportunity. So what I'm trying to say in the long run is that this week I'll be expecting GBPJPY to actually go bearish this week, expecting a drop this week. So that is what I'll be watching out for. So if in case you're interested in high probability trade, I'm going to put a link in the comment section, especially if you're having trouble increasing your accounts or you're actually blowing up your accounts, right? I'm going to give you high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. I'm going to share it with you. Basically, I'm going to put a link to that trade that is in the comment section. So once you sign up, you will get access to those trades that are putting out there. So you can give it a try for just a month. If after a month, then you can decide to keep your subscription or you can decide to cancel your subscription. So I'll be giving out more updates on that channel. So the link to that channel will be in the comment section below.